Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50 and 60. As we get older, many of us look for highly stylish that are easy to manage and comfortable. The good news is that there are many beautiful haircuts that requires very little time and effort each day. One of the most popular choices is the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, medium and easy to maintain. It dries quickly after washing and usually needs very little styling. This haircut can make the face look fresh and youthful while giving a neat and elegant appearance. Another great option is the short bob. A bob haircut never goes out of style. It works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. A short bob is easy to brush and style, making it perfect for busy women who want a polished look without spending a lot of time on their hair. Layered haircuts are also very popular for women over 50. Soft layers can add movement and volume, especially for fine or thinning hair. Layers help create a fuller appearance and can make hair look healthier and more lively. For women who prefer medium length hair, a shoulder length cut is an excellent choice. This length offers flexibility because it can be worn down, tucked behind the ears or tied back when needed. It is easy to care for and suits many face shapes. A textured bob is another stylish haircut. The added texture creates a relaxed and natural look. This hairstyle often requires only a quick brush or a little finger styling before leaving the house. It is simple, fashionable and easy to maintain. Women with naturally wavy hair may enjoy a layered wavy cut. Instead of fighting natural waves, this haircut works with them. The result is a soft and effortless style that looks beautiful with minimal styling. Grey hair can also look stunning with low maintenance haircuts. A short layered cut or a sleek bob can highlight natural grey tones and creates a sophisticated appearance. Many women are choosing to embrace their grey hair and enjoy its natural beauty. Another easy care style is the long pixie cut. It offers the short hair while keeping a little extra length around the face. This haircut is flattering, versatile and simple to manage. When choosing a haircut, it is important to think about your hair texture, face shape and daily routine. The best hairstyle is one that makes you feel confident and comfortable. A haircut should feel confident, lifestyle and make your daily routine easier. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.